What's going on, you guys? Ace Backer here, coming at you with a brand new video. Today, Bitcoin has just hit $54,000. That is insane. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So if you guys are new here, don't forget to consider dropping a like on this video. And if you're brand new to the channel, consider subscribing. You know, it only takes a second, and I'd really appreciate it. Anyways, so Bitcoin just hit $54,000. Currently, it's at $54,200.65 at the time of making this video. So regardless, a lot of coins have been bouncing up and down due to Bitcoin's continuing success. I do think that Bitcoin in and of itself is the most successful Bitcoin that exists. But I'm going to be also showing you guys some coins that I noticed have been jumping around as well, and you should be keeping an eye on, especially for since Coinbase Pro is one of the most popular crypto trading sites in the United States. I think when a coin gets listed on here, it automatically is destined to bounce up because this is where a lot of the buyers are, and it's a really good spot to buy coins that could or could not be safe. So more or less, Bitcoin's just becoming the most accepted cryptocurrency that exists right now. I do believe that Bitcoin is going to continue onwards and upwards. Overall, I don't like how it's not letting me immediately go to the next one, but it looks like Ethereum is really close to hitting the $2,000 mark, and after that I believe we could see a lot of altcoins exploding along with it. I think that it's really close to hitting 2,000. It will either hit 2,000 this weekend, or it will just crash downwards. That's usually what happens before any asset hits an all-time high. You know, if it doesn't manage to break that point, it'll usually a dip will follow. That happens in stocks, that happens in crypto. You know, that happened to Bitcoin. You know, before Bitcoin was getting closer and closer to 40,000, it didn't hit 40. I believe it didn't hit 40,000. Then it took a dip, and then it bounced back up and it blew right through 40,000. That's just how a lot of these assets work. People like to secure their gains, then they come back in, and you know, send it upwards and onwards even more. I do own some Ethereum. I think that owning different pieces of these cryptos will be the safest. If you want to have the safest crypto that exists, even though no asset is risk-free, I believe that the best crypto, again, is Bitcoin. Moving on, LTC. It has a lot of potential to bounce up, bounce around, but overall, it's still a good hold in terms of if you want to play with a coin that can offer good returns and you would like to trade with. This one has a lot of good volatility, but it's also, I believe, the third most popular on Coinbase. And it's a cool coin. It looks like it's been progressively following Ethereum onwards and upwards. We will also be taking a quick look at some of the coins that are not as popular. BCH, I do own some BCH as well. I was looking at Dash. I know this one is popular, but I just noticed how it exploded over the week. It was around, let's see if I can change this chart. So yeah, it was around 270. Now it bounced up to about 330, somewhere around that range, and currently it is at 315. Dash has been, you know, showing a lot of potential as a good $1,000 coin. I'm pretty sure it could get to $1,000 soon. Just based on the fact that Ethereum is going to break 2,000 soon, and that will lead to a lot of more altcoins jumping up with it. And GRT, unfortunately, I know we covered GRT a lot, but it's just been chilling at the moment. It hasn't been moving around at all too much. But CGLD has been showing some upwards movement as well. I believe that's like the gold version of crypto, and it's like you know, when people get scared that I guess crypto might go downwards or something, but it's been going up, and I would say it's a good sign because overall the whole entire crypto market has been going up, and overall that's just what we're covering. The entire crypto market has been bouncing up everywhere, and let's see what else we got. So GRT currently at 218. Yeah, it's just been, you know, it hasn't been moving around too much. BNT, I bought some BNT. I believe before the jump, there's a huge, massive jump recently. At least in my opinion. Where was it? I seen it. It moved up like a crazy amount one day. Where was it? I believe it was like at $3 or something. Let's see. It was like at 370, and then it jumped all the way up to $6.40. I bought in around $3 or $4, but I'm still holding, and it's insane. I thought that was, you know, definitely a coin to watch. It seems like the volatility in the coin is not that great. When I looked at the overall trend data, there's another graph on Coinbase itself. If you look at the actual trend over like its lifetime, it's pretty volatile, but it has been looking like a very good pump dump or temporary hold. So Ren has been bouncing up, and honestly, it looks like they're trying to pump a lot of these coins that are like still 30, 20 cents. So honestly, if you guys see any 20, 30 cents on Coinbase, they might be a great buy just because the overall crypto market is moving upwards. And these have the most potential to be exploded due to the fact that they don't have a large market cap. People can buy these cryptos easily and just bounce up the price. So as you guys can see here, this coin was at 36 cents on the 11th. That was 8 days ago. Right now it's at $1.46. You would have made like 3.5 times your money. Isn't that great? I mean, sounds great, honestly. But I have to do more research on this coin. Obviously, you know, some people have already secured their gains, but it looks like this coin has been moving up. You know, it's doing very well. And overall, I'm just keeping you guys updated on just the fact that the entire crypto market has been moving up. I know I've been covering cryptos on this channel somewhat, but hey, you know, hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys smash that like button. And in my next video, we will be covering the stock that you have been sleeping on. Thank you guys for watching.